Next section is the first example 3.1. A closed tank contains compressed air and oil, and Hg oil is 0.9 as shown in the figure. And U2 manometer using mercury, Hg is 13.6 is connected to the tank as shown. For the column height is H1 36 inch, H2 6 inch, and H3 9 inch. Okay, H1, H2, and H3. Determine the pressure reading in PSI of the gauge or PA, okay, or the pressure gauge at the top of the tanks. Okay. Given we bring down our information to the list and find what we want to know what is a PA in PSI, and we start to write the connection between pressure between different points. For example, we start from PA. PA can at the point 0 and come to the point 1. So point 1 is equal to the pressure increase H1 plus H2 gamma oil. That is the pressure from point 1 to point 2, from 1 to point 2. Oh, sorry. Actually from 2.1. Okay, that is the pressure at the point 1. And the next we can jump across from point 1 to point 2 because of point 1 to point 2 is the same fluid and the same elevation. So in this case we say that at point 2 the same pressure. Okay, and then next we moving up from point 2 to point 3. It's point 3 somewhere here. So the pressure decrease is subtract H3 gamma Hg equal to 0. Okay, it's open, so it means if you use gauge pressure is a 0, and this is a PATM. In this case, we move to point 3. Okay, that is the relationship of the pressure in that at different point. In this case, we can find what is the PA. Move to the and the other known effect parameter we move to the right hand side. So H1 plus H2 for gamma of oil is equal to Hg oil times the gamma of the water. You can say the water, that is gamma W. Okay, and plus the H3 for the gamma Hg is equal to specific weight, specific gravity for Hg times the gamma of water equal to 0. Okay, next step we just substitute the number. The first we use the SI unit, the British units. Okay, so we still use the inch. The H1 is 36 plus the 6 convert to foot. Okay, and times Hg is 0.9, and from the gamma for water is 62.4 pound force per cubic foot. Okay, and for the H3 is the 9 inch convert to foot. The specific gravity is 13.6, and times 64 for the gamma, 64.4 pound per square foot. Okay, so we final solution is we got the 140 pound per cubic foot. Okay, and if we want to divide to get in terms of the inch, so we divide it by 12 times 12. So the final solution is 3.06 psi. In case of we want to use the SI unit also, we can show that PA is equal to 0.9 meter plus the 0.15 meter times Hg times the specific weight is equal to 9,801 Newton per square meter, cubic meter, plus the for H3 and times 9,800. Okay, so we got about 20,780 48.15 Newton per square meter. That is the gate pressure. If you want to P is like the atmospheric pressure, absolute pressure, we just plus the atmospheric pressure. That is the absolute pressure. Okay. And the concluded to make clearly about the connection between point and the pressure, we can measure the pressure difference between 2 points. For example, we start from this is we want to measure the pressure at the pi in the pi A. So we start from pressure at the point A is equal to at point A is equal to 0.1 P1. And move to the point 2, so we expect that the P2 is equal to P1 plus the gamma 1 H1 because of increase of pressure. Okay, and we from point 3 we expect that P2 is equal to P3 because the same level and same fluid, so we can use the concept of jump across. And at point 4, we say that P3 decrease to gamma 2H2 because of P3, and at the point 3, P5 is equal to P3. Subtract H2, gamma 2H2, gamma 3H3. And we say that P5 is equal to PB. So it's come put together, we say that PA plus the gamma 1 H1 subtract gamma 2 H2 subtract gamma 3 H3 is equal to PB, or P, the different pressure between PA and PB between 2 points is equal to subtract negative gamma 1 H1 plus gamma 2 H2 and plus gamma 3 H3. Okay.